Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Silverado. In today's video, we're going to be fixing a door sag problem. So I bought me 2 of these on Amazon. These are basically new parts for the door. I'm going to put one on the passenger door too, because I'm already taking the doors apart, so I might as well. Anyway, so my door sags quite a bit. I have to really slam it to shut it, and whenever I open it, it's pretty visible. Here, I'll go ahead and show y'all. Whenever I open the door, you can pretty much see it drop down, and I have to really slam it. And it doesn't really line up at the top anymore. And I'll go ahead and show you guys a video here. Okay, so here's what you'll want to do. There's a bolt right here you'll want to get out. There's a bolt right in here that you want to get out. And there's a bolt in here that you'll want to get out. Once those are all out, your door can pretty much come off. This is optional. You can take this off. I'm going to try to do it without taking it off. And we'll have to find a place for the door. That's pretty close because we can't just leave it hanging there. But that's what we're going to try to do. If I decide to take it off, I'll show y'all. But yeah, so that's what you do, and then your door will basically just lift right up, and you can set it anywhere you want. Okay, so I've decided I'm gonna take the whole door completely off, just because it's gonna be easier. So what you'll do is you'll pull off this panel right here, and you'll have to pull this little thing out. Then you can get inside of here, and right here you'll have to take off this connection. And you have to follow this wire all the way up into the fuse box, and it'll be this connection right here, and your door is ready to be taken off. Okay, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, but I got the door off the truck, and my truck is now a Jeep. And here you go. You can actually see the damage here that happened. These bushings, I'm peeling it off right now. So that's what it looks like. As you can see, this thing was squeaking, and you can see I put some WD-40 all over it. I'll have to clean that all off. But there's that door off, and I'll go ahead and show y'all how to get these things out of here. Okay, well, I ended up getting them out. I used this, which did take longer than using an angle grinder, but I preserved my fenders, because you never know with an angle grinder, it could shoot off and hit my fender or something. But here's what it all looks like. These are shot, these bushings. It's crazy to think that the bushings in the truck right here eventually became that. That's just crazy to me. But we got it cleaned up. I just gotta take a rag or something, get all the metal particles off, and then I'll go grab some grease, and I'll show y'all how to install these. Alright, so putting these on are pretty simple. What you'll need first is a bushing. Let me find one, I have them in my pocket. What you'll need first is a bushing. And you'll put it to the top just like this, and it should fit in just like that. And then do that for the bottom part of this bracket, just like that. And then you can grab these right here, and I'll go ahead and put some grease on it. But basically, if this kind of end right here, if the notches are on the bottom, it goes on the top. It would go in this. If the notches are on the top, it will go on the bottom, just right there. So another way you can say is longer end on the top will go on the top, shorter will go on the bottom. Anyway, I'll get these knocked out and then these knocked out, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. Just grease these up, and then you'll have a washer to go on the bottom, and then you'll have a nut. So that's how you do it, and I'll catch back up with you whenever I get this door done. Okay, so here's what it'll look like after You get these on, should feel absolutely no play. So that's amazing. And now we'll get the door on. It'll be pretty hard to show you because I don't have a tripod, so I'll just go ahead and show you the final product. Alrighty everyone, so I got the door back on and it works flawlessly. So I'll go ahead and show it. Here's what it's like whenever you close it. No longer have to slam it and it seals perfectly. I'm gonna go for a test drive. I'm gonna take it down the country road with my parents, and I'll go ahead and see if that fixed my wind leak, because that was annoying, and I'm hoping that that was a fix. If you guys enjoyed, here's what all the old parts look like. Look at all of them compared to the new parts. I still got to do the passenger door, but I'll do that a different day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.